Only shred in standard operation mode. Maintenance mode should be reserved for maintenance activity and only used by a qualified technician maintaining or servicing the shred truck in a safe environment. Contact service in the event of any truck failure for support. Remember, at any time, the entire system can be shut down by engaging the emergency stop button. Pressing it will immediately shut down all truck operations except the engine. Upon arrival at the shredding site, pull into a safe area away from hazards and excess pedestrian traffic. Be aware of any people or obstacles around the truck when pulling in. Shift the vehicle into park or neutral, depending on the transmission style. Then engage the air brakes or hydraulic parking brake. Activate the hazard lights and strobe lights if your truck is equipped with them. Turn off the truck and remove the key from the ignition. Safely exit the vehicle, noting that sometimes you may be exiting onto a roadway with car traffic. Take any safety materials with you as you exit the cab, like a safety vest or hearing protection. Lock both the driver and passenger doors upon exit to secure the driver operation cabin from intrusion. Insert wheel chocks as an added layer of vehicle movement prevention. On a flat surface, place one chock in front and one chock behind each of the drive wheels. Place cones to mark off the job site and prevent other vehicles from blocking the shredding truck. Unlock and open the operator panel. Insert the key into the parallel ignition and turn right to activate auxiliary power. The bottom key will start the truck engine and activate the system. Insert and turn right to start the system. Unlock the bin tunnel by pressing the right arrow on the control panel. Disconnect the safety clasp tether on the lower left corner of the bin tunnel. Then, using two hands, extend the bin tunnel completely until the locking pins engage. Note that in cold climates, the hydraulic systems may need to be set to preheat before operating. Ensure the system is preheated before taking the next steps. Lower the bin gripper tipper using the labeled momentary switch in the down position. Press and hold to operate. Hold the switch until the gripper completely lowers and opens. Note that the gripper tipper can operate at two heights, ground height and curb height, which is approximately 6 inches higher. To select curb height, press the button labeled Curb Mode. You're now ready to shred. Turn off the ignition and remove the keys to disable the system while you are away from the truck. Now you may go and collect your first bin of paper from the customer. Between trips to collect bins, shut down the system and take the key with you. The shred truck should never be running when it is unattended. Remove or release any locking mechanisms from the bin lid. Place the paper bin in the open gripper. Ensure the bin is oriented in the gripper so that the lid hinges are facing out. Reinsert the keys and restart the truck. Activate the shredding system by pressing the shredder start-stop switch. The shredder will run backwards at first to dislodge any material that may remain from the previous job. Press and hold the gripper tipper switch in the up position until the bin dumps completely into the shredding hopper. Monitor this progress from the hopper camera feed on the control panel. You can toggle between camera views and set to full screen view using the Camera Select and Camera Full Screen buttons. Note that you can tip the next bin once you can see the shredder knives on the hopper camera feed. Press and hold the bin tipper switch in the down position until the bin is returned to operating level and the gripper opens. Only return the bin to the ground when it is completely empty. When shredding is complete, press the shredder start-stop button again to shut down the shredding system and bring the truck back to an idle. Stow and secure the bin tunnel by releasing the locking pins once again and sliding the tunnel all the way in until you hear the locking pins re-engage. Then reattach the safety clasp. Shut down the engine and auxiliary power system by turning the primary key to the left. Secure the operator control panel, ensuring that you take both keys with you when doing so. Then collect all safety equipment, including safety cones and chocks. You are now ready to safely proceed to your next destination. The hopper agitator will run automatically during the shredding process, but can be manually engaged at any time to shake paper down into the shredder. Due to emissions compliance, Shred Tech trucks cannot idle excessively. If the truck isn't in shredding mode, it will shut down within approximately 140 seconds. 10 seconds to cycle from shred to cruise, 10 seconds to disengage the PTO, and 120 seconds to shut off the engine.